Hello students, welcome to class 9th economics, chapter 2 people as resource, and it is the part 3rd of your chapter. Before going towards today's topic, I just want to ask a question that is related to our previous class. My question is, people are converted into human resource after some investment. Name those investments. Yes, the answer is education, health and training. So our today's topic is related to these topics. That is quality of population, as education and health are the important elements of quality of population. Learning objectives of today's class are that after watching this video, you will be able to appraise the role of education and health as the most important elements of quality of population. You also will be able to identify the various steps taken by government to improve the quality of population. Significances or impacts of the quality of population. It is the quality of population that decides the growth rate of the country. It opens new horizon for human being. It provides new aspiration and develops the values of life. Obviously, if the quality of population is good or more, then their growth rate will be more and there will be new horizons for the human being, and also it provides the new aspirations or the desires, and also the quality will develop the values of life. Factors or elements of quality of population. The first is education and the second is health. Education. सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन. एजुकेशन की हमारी लाइफ में इंपॉर्टेंस क्या होती है? एजुकेशन डिसाइड्स द ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ द कंट्री. इट ओपन्स न्यू हॉरिजॉन फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग. It provides new aspiration or desires to human beings. Obviously, after completing our education, we generate new desires to achieve new goals. It also develops the values of life. During education, we develop various values like creativity, social skills, to respect others, inner strength, etc. Steps or programs by the Government of India to ensure the education. These are Government of India has put some special emphasis on girls' education by providing them elementary education. Establishment of Navodaya Vidyalayas and many other schools is also come under the programs by the government for education. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is one of the very good programs started by the government for the education. It ensures the right of education by providing elementary education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years by 2010. Midday meal is the another scheme or program by the government to promote education. It encourages the attendance of children and improve their nutritional status. इसके अंदर क्या होता है, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में जो भी स्टूडेंट्स स्टडी कर रहे होते हैं उनको मिड डे मील प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. Many other vocational streams has also been started by the government to improve the knowledge and skills. The 12th plan endeavored to raise the country's gross enrollment ratio in higher education in age group of 18 to 23 years. हायर एजुकेशन दैट मीन्स कि ग्रेजुएशन या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन की स्टडी के लिए जो 12th हमारा प्लान है उसमें स्टूडेंट्स की एनरोलमेंट को इंश्योर करने के लिए काफ़ी स्टेप उठाए गए हैं. आवर अनदर टॉपिक और एस्पेक्ट और एलिमेंट ऑफ क्वालिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इज हेल्थ. Under our national policy, various health facilities has been given in India. As you can see this table that various dispensaries has been started and number is increased from 29,000 to 31,000 till 2017. Various beds has been provided in the hospitals. They has also been increased from 2013 to 17, and the number of registered doctors and nursing personnel has also been increased. And here you can see that various SC, PHC and CHC has also been increased. By SC we mean sub-centers, primary PHC primary health center and CHC community health centers. So from this we can conclude that various health services has been improved now in India. Our national policy aims at improving the accessibility of healthcare, family welfare and nutritional services also, according to which it results into, इसका रिज़ल्ट बेटा ये निकला है कि इंडिया में जो लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी रेशो है वो अब 68 ईयर्स, अबाउट 68 ईयर्स 3 मंथ्स हो गई है बाय 2014. एवरेज जो हमारी इंडिया के लोगों की एज है वो अराउंड 68 तक हो चुकी हुई है. And infant mortality rate has also been decreased to 34 in 2016. It is ensured by ensuring the nutrition of both mother and child care through proper nutrition. And by infant mortality rate, what we mean? Infant mortality rate is the number of total deaths of infants per 1000 live births below 1 year of age in duration of 1 year. बेटे इसके कहने का ये मतलब है कि वो इन्फेंट्स जिनकी एज 1 ईयर से नीचे की होती है उनका नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स पर 1000 लाइव बर्थ्स के कंपैरेटिवली एक साल में जितना भी होता है, दैट मीन्स कि एक साल में ऐसे बच्चे जो कि एक साल से छोटे हों उनका जो रेट ऑफ डेथ होता है उसको हम इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट कहते हैं. सो बेटा थैंक यू. टुडेज लेक्चर इज ओवर विथ दिस.